What scant regard for the nation's teachers? All the Jamaica Teachers Association has been asking is for the government or employers, the persons with whom we negotiate, for them to facilitate a meeting to treat with the outstanding matters, the anomalies that have arisen from the implementation of the compensation, the restructuring exercise. We're not asking for additional. All we're asking is that that which you have agreed to give the teachers of this nation, that it be that they actually receive what it is you have promised them. Is it that the government is not concerned about the state of education and the potential impact will that have on the state of education, on the state of our children whom we so say we care about? We call on every well thinking Jamaican to join the call that what is the fair due of the teacher, that the government of Jamaica responds and responds not tomorrow, not next week, not when they feel like, immediately to the teacher's plight. Do we want demotivated individuals going into our classrooms every day before your children? Parents, I ask of you, the teachers of this nation are deserving of better. They're deserving of better treatment and they're deserving of the professional courtesy as any other grouping. We should not be begging the government to respond to us. Jamaicans need to decide what quality education system it wants for its children. You cannot continue to have demotivated, despondent, demoralized educators going to school or making the choice if I really want to continue to do this every day, what will happen to us as a nation?